Hi, welcome back to a further video in our tutorial series in database design and development. Today we are going to continue to look at that where clause, and we're going to look at our conditions again. In previous videos, the last three previous videos, we've looked at logical operators. Today we're going to look at arithmetic operators. So that means there may be circumstances where we want to compare numbers or numeric data within our conditions. So for example, you might want to check whether something is greater than 100 or less than 100 or equal to or less than or equal to 100 or greater than or equal to 100. Okay, so those are some examples of the use of arithmetic operators. So today what we're going to do is we're going to look at selecting specific information. So in this case, we're going to look at the surname and author reference from the author table, and we're going to extract that information for authors whose author reference is greater than 2000. Okay, so to start that, we are going to select our create query design and go to our SQL view. Again, take out our semicolon, and we want to see the surname. Okay, so that's the first field of information that we want to see. Okay, and our author reference is the second field. Fields are entity attributes, as you know, are the same thing. Entity attributes is the new language that we use within National 5. So if you hear me referring to fields, it's old habit. Okay, so it's entity attributes. Okay, so the entity attributes from our author entity. All right, so we're going to use our from command and again select author because we want to take that information from our author table, because that's where these entity attributes are contained. And we want to again insert our where clause, and we are going to put in a simple condition, which means there's only one condition, and that will be where author ref is greater than 2000. Again, ending that with a semicolon. This greater than symbol is our arithmetic operator. Okay, so it allows us to do arithmetic comparisons. So we can have greater than 2000, which you can see that our author reference numbers are all greater than 2000 in the surnames. Other ones that we can use are less than, so we can go less than 2000 and run that. So we have two there whose author references are less than 2000. We can see those bring up different results. We can go equal to 2000. I don't know, no, there's none which are equal to 2000. So we can go greater than or equal to, or we can go less than or equal to when it comes to these operators. But for the purposes of our query here, we want to go greater than 2000. Again, we'll run that, and we can see here quite clearly that our author references are all greater than 2000. Okay, so again, we'll just click here. Okay, so surname of authors with author ref greater than 2000. Okay, and there we have it. Alright, just a quick look at our code again, just looking at those. So our select command, we are selecting two pieces of specific information or two entity attributes or fields from our author entity or our author table, where, and this is our condition here, where author reference is greater than 2000, and obviously ending with our semicolon as always. Okay. Hope this helps when it comes to arithmetic operators and these types of conditions, and stay tuned for our next video.